Dude, I'm so bored. You I don't know, want to go to get something to eat? If you're bored, then maybe you should try rowing. Wait, shut up for a second. Whoa, dude, did you see that? Yeah, I did. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you're thinking of breaking in there, then yes, I am thinking what you're thinking. Okay, then, let's go. Did you anchor the canoe? No, I thought you did. Well, there goes a perfectly good canoe. But here's the big question. How are we gonna get into that cave? There must be a secret button or code that we have to put in or something. Maybe there's a lever around here somewhere. Or we could just slide right under this thing. Yeah, I guess that works, I guess. I don't know. Let's just do it your way then. Dude, look, there he is. Oh, I'm the best at guessing codes. Yeah, good luck with that. I have a better way. Dude, now look what you've done. Now we can't get into the elevator. You bozo. Oh, logic doesn't exist. What's wrong? What did you find? Dude, you're never gonna believe this, but you know what? Just look for yourself. Hello? Oh, hey. Yeah, all the money is stolen. From Mr. Krabs, of course. Who do you think has this money? Hello? Yeah, I'd like to report a thief. Oh, you guys are already on the way? Oh, hey, great. Let me go. There's no proof of anything. Tell that to the judge. Arg, 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 arg. Thank you, boys, for returning my money. Arg, 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 arg. Money, money, money. Well, it looks like the Popo has got this covered. Yeah. You want to go get something to eat or something? Yeah, sure.